Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to talk about a topic that we generally face as an IT professional in Germany when you are working in a German company, and then if the everyday conversation is in Deutsch, and maybe sometimes you speak also in English, but if your native is English and then you do not really know all the German technical words in your IT area, then you face some problems in your daily conversations, and you always have to have translator to just to translate what your colleague said in the meeting, and then you are looking the words in the translator, and then you understand later, okay, that's what the meeting was. Sometimes it happens with me too, even though I understand medium level Deutsch in the conversations, but still when it's a technical conversation, some words I'm still missing, and I did not really learn in the generic German courses, because these are not for technical conversations. Those are for generic, when you how you can do a conversation in the German language. So for that, I am right now I'm trying to focus in these words. I believe some of you, like me, are also facing these problems. I can give you an example that also happened with me sometimes. For example, your colleague may ask you this one, that in Deutsch, maybe you can also speak German, and then your colleague asked you something like, kannst du eine Abfrage erstellen? So okay, you know maybe the rest of the words, maybe all of the words, but some maybe do not know what the Abfrage means. But you were a little bit embarrassed that not to, maybe if I ask what Abfrage means, then it would be a little bit embarrassing. Then you said, okay, I will do it, but you do not really know what the Abfrage means. Then when your colleague is gone, then you look into the translator, and then you see, okay, Abfrage means that what does it mean? I mean, it means query in database. So if you are talking about the database, and then of course Abfrage means query in database. But in other situation, maybe it can mean different. It can mean different, but in here it's about query that we do in the database, so for checking the data and so on. So similar kind of way that I face these problems once in in my daily life. That's why I'm focusing on mostly the words and technical words in IT topics, such as data and general technical terms that we use for our computer and so on. So then I decided to make a video and share it with you. If you are also facing the similar problems, then we can learn it together, and then maybe your next conversation would be really fruitful with your colleague in the technical wise. So that's why I am now creating a playlist with some vocabulary and in conversations, how we use it in the IT topics and so on, and then we would be learning these words together. Then I will see you in the next video where we will learn step by step some words, how it can be used and how it is being used in a sentences or in our daily conversations. Stay tuned. See you soon. Bye.